Winter doesn't just disappear when the snow melts. It doesn't end when the ice clears or temperatures rise. Even when the surface looks normal again, winter leaves behind damage you can't always see. Here's what winter really does to your turf. Over the winter months, debris slowly settles into the turf. Leaves, sand, grit, and organic matter are pressed down by snow, ice, and melting water. As these materials build up on the surface, they begin to block sunlight, trap moisture, and restrict airflow. The result is slower spring green up before growth even has a chance to start. Here at 𝗁𝗶𝗀𝘁, we use targeted spring solutions to reverse winter damage. First, the power rake, dethatching. Over winter, organic material accumulates at the soil surface and forms a dense thatch layer. A power rake mechanically removes this buildup, eliminating the barrier that blocks water, nutrients, and sunlight from reaching the soil. By clearing out old material first, the turf surface is reset and ready for deeper recovery. Next, the aerator. Winter conditions compact the soil through freezing, thawing, and repeated traffic. Aeration relieves that compaction by opening the soil profile, allowing air, water, and nutrients to move freely again. Roots can breathe, grow deeper, and recover faster once the soil is opened up. Finally, the sweeper. After dethatching and aeration, the sweeper removes loosened debris like thatch fragments, soil plugs, leaves, sand, and grit. Clearing this material restores sunlight and airflow to the turf canopy, prevents moisture from being trapped, and leaves the surface clean and uniform, allowing spring green up to begin without obstruction. Together, these tools correct what winter leaves behind. They restore the conditions turf needs to recover, strengthen, and perform all season long.